by themselves and to share it to the team member, to everyone, and especially to the citizens or to the kids.
Raja Gopal, educational consultant from Singapore.
So problem-based learning is under inquiry-based learning. So it's like a part of ideal.
Lucy Hamwood, Head of Agency of AIA Cambodia.
So, on behalf of AIA Cambodia, is my
So hopefully I make your time worthwhile. So just give me a while to set up my account on another laptop.